Hindi ako makatulog kasi ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin yung galit ng lahat ng tao. Well, sumampa ako para mag-ask ng understanding, ng konting hinahon sa lahat ng nagre-react. Pero ang dami ko nabasang comment na parang kakaiba sa ini-expect ko. Well, simple lang naman yung punto. Halatang halata na unstable siya. Kailangan niya ng professional help. Kailangan niya ng understanding natin, ng kindness natin kasi as he admitted, he went through CSA or childhood trauma. Alam niyo na po ito, hindi ko na po i-explain pero may pinagdaanan si kuya kaya ganun yung worldview niya, ganun na lang kabilis siyang manghusga at saka meron siyang ini-exhibit na form of control in everything that he says. Hyper-vigilant din siya so meron siyang trust issues because of the trauma that happened to him. And I think kailangan niya talaga ng level of understanding na mas higit than ordinary people. But all I said was, let us respect the structure of their family, ano yung pagsasama nila, yung kanilang napagkasunduan bilang magkatuwang sa buhay, labas tayo lahat doon. Huwag nating komentuhan yun. Yung mga masasama niyang nasabi, that's also part of his unhealed version that he needs to work on at hindi natin responsibilidad yun. Valid na nagkagalit tayo, may mga reaction tayo na hindi maganda sa sinabi at saka sa in-exhibit na behavior, pero we are becoming the very thing that we hate. Siguro panawagan sa mga Pilipino muli na mas maging discerning po tayo pagdating sa mga messages na ina-absorb natin when we watch content here on social media, and let us always be kind when we post our comments because we never know what the other person is going through. At kung hindi man kayo na-afford ng same courtesy ng respeto na yon nung taong kinagagalitan ninyo, that's on them, not on you. So let us not foster the hate and fuel the fire any further. Unawain natin siya at pagdasal natin siya kasi apparently God is moving through him and changing him in ways na hindi pa niya completely naiintindihan or hindi pa siya ready na i-absorb at gawin sa buhay niya. So as I always say, our healing is our own responsibility, not anybody else's. When we do not heal our wounds, we bleed all over the people that we love. So we have to be very, very careful. I extend to the family my understanding and my support. Wala akong kinakampihan dito. This is for everybody. Let's be kind. Exercise kindness always. Mahirap yung pinagdaanan ni Kuya. Kayo rin kung na-CSA kayo, you wouldn't wish that on anybody. Be kind, ganun lang.